we are going to tackle permissions in Google Drive. So, all too often on social media or even in business, people will post something and it's to a Google Drive link. And it could be a video or a document, or maybe it's a PDF that you've shared with your audience, or something that you've shared within your organization, or a cool video that you've uploaded to Google Drive. And you share it, and then what happens is your audience cannot view your video. There are quite a number of different ways to share things within Google Drive. Number one is if you hover over the item, whether it's a video or a document, and you right-click that item, a menu will appear here, and you would go to Share. And once these permissions come up, it says Add sharing restrictions. Control who can share, download, copy, and print this file. All right, we got it. So in particular, right now, anyone in my organization can view this item with the link, right? So I can choose to copy the link and send it to somebody in my organization. Well, what if I want to share this item outside my organization? What you would do is you would come up here, Share with People settings. You would click on this, look this over. Editors can change permissions and share. Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. Well, this video, I don't want people to download, so I'm going to unclick that. And I might unclick editing as well. So now I'm going to head back over to the main menu, and I'm going to come down here to change. And right now it's saying anyone in my organization. I can change that right here by clicking this drop down. And I can say anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can view. You can also make a commenter or an editor. I'm going to let people view this video. So now anyone who has this link can view this video. And what you'll do is you'll copy the link here, and then you can share that link on social media or anywhere in your organization. And that's it.